Hey guys, we're installing a cage panel attached to our FUJI Bag Rack floor mount system. So this is a cage panel pin coupler. These come in a set. They've got 2 bolts to go with them. Paulie's gonna grab that. It slides into place. We're just mocking this up to show the location. You get a bolt going each way, sets in place, and your cage panel is going to slide right over top of these pins. There's a little bit of play, but you want to set it up and test fit ahead of time. This is a hex set screw, so you can adjust the height of this cage panel so your mat can slide underneath, or you can drop it low to block your mat and frame everything in. We're going to finish assembling this. We'll show you how it looks.